want to miss this one. Hey! Oh! So in this video, it's going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to a wedding, so I'm just going to show you my process to face and my outfit and thing and, you know, all that jazz. So, I did my eyebrows off camera already. And I primed my lids, so I'm just going to move straight into shadow. And we're going to start things off with the ItsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette. I really love this. Like, it's genuinely a staple. So we're going to go in with Pancake.
So Pancake is going to be the first of our many transition colors that we use in this eye look, but I promise that it's simple. So I'm just taking Pancake in windscreen wiper motions, and I'm just putting this in and above my crease just to use as the base. Yeah, so once we've done that, we're going to go in with Spice from the same ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and then we're going to put this in the same areas that we put Pancake, but taking a little bit of it in the outer V of our eye. And of course, these colors are just going to build up together to give us a lot of depth and dimension to the eye. And then going in with a blending brush and just smoothing those bad boys together. Y'all know eye looks gotta be seamless. You gotta slay. So we ready. Now we're gonna go into a orange color from the Juvia's Place palette. I don't remember what palette this is, but I'll put it in the description bar. And I'm taking my brush at an angle so I can get all of the pigmentation in the upper in the upper part of my lid, so I can get that nice orange brightness that I need. And getting this at an angle just ensures that all the colors come above where the brush is, so it prepares my eye for the cut crease as well. And of course, blending those together once we've added that. So we're just taking different shades of orange to give us depth to the eye. So we have to ensure that we blend all those colors together so they come together seamlessly. And then taking Sokato from the same palette, which is a super bright orange, we're just going to use this to give it that nice bright zhuzh of orange. I use so many words that don't even exist. So taking my ColourPop concealer, I'm just going to cut my crease, and I'm taking this as high as my eye crease is. So this will depend on your eye shape, but this is where mine is. And I'm just cutting the crease and then moving into the Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop. I'm just going to go in with number 14. Well, the shade is 14. And I'm just going to take this on a flat brush and pack it all over my lid just so we can get that nice vibrancy. And then I'm just going to go in from the same palette with Stallion, and it is a super dark navy blue metallic color, and it is gorgeous. And I'm just going to use this to create a gradient on my eyelids just so you know everything can be seamless. And I'm just blending this at the outer V of my eye so I can get that gradient look. And then of course, once I've added enough shadow, I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush and blend everything in together. If you feel like your orange has gotten lost, you can always go back in with the same brush that you applied it with before and just apply some more. I think I did that, but I didn't show it. And then taking Allison from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette, I'm just using that as my underbrow highlight. So I didn't do a wing liner for this because I haven't been liking wing liners much, so I just lined my eyes so I could get some definition. And of course, I added my lashes and did my face routine off camera. Now, I love to use the Sephora Micro Smooth powder to finish up my face once I've done like all my baking, because I find that it just takes my skin back. I don't know, it just adds like that nice layer. It really is a Micro Smooth powder. It's just like fire. Like, it is it for me. I'm just blending away all that excess powder from baking. I'm gonna spray my face. This is a setting spray from ColourPop as well. And I find that once I've baked, when I set my face, that I get a super natural finish. Like, all the powders just seep into my skin, so my skin just looks way more natural. And then going in with my Hoolah Bronzer, I'm just using this to bronze my face up. I didn't want to have like super snatch contour, but I still wanted my face to look nice and chiseled. And I find that the Hoolah Bronzer is like the perfect bronzer for my skin tone for when I'm trying to achieve that. And of course, it's time to highlight. And we're going in with the same underbrow highlight, Allison, from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. It is like an all-purpose shadow. It's so good. And that is the first highlight that I use. And I'm just going to finish up my eyes by adding these same orange shades under my eye. I think some black liner would look really good with this, but I couldn't find any of mine. And just finish up the highlighting process. Gotta get that nose, give me that butt nose, yeah. I really contoured the shit out of my nose this day. And then to finish off a nice glowy dewy look, I always use my Milani Tantastic with a fan brush and put it all over my face, and I think it just looks so amazing. Now going in with a brown pencil. This is a pencil that I've had for years. I have no idea what brand it is. I'm just gonna line my lips, and then going in with Chai from ColourPop and what's that girl's name, Karuchi sorry, and Karuchi, that collab, I'm taking that and just using my fingers to spread it, because I find that when you use your fingers to apply matte lipsticks, it doesn't give you that dry finish that it normally gives you, and that's what I like. And then going in with the Shayla and ColourPop lip gloss, I don't remember what this one's called, and finishing up the look, and bam, you slayed.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. I am slowly realizing.
Alright guys, this is the completed makeup look. It is a lot darker than I wanted, but I think it still looks nice. So there you have it. Bye sweets, I got to go. Well, if you wanna see more videos from me, be sure to click the link here, here, and this bad boy here. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe here. You can also follow me on social media. My handles will be here. Thank you guys. Bye.